Good morning, YouTube. It's Monday morning, March 25th, 2013, 6:30 in the morning, and as you can see, we got snow. It's 26 degrees Fahrenheit. We got about 2 inches. And it's kind of hard to see, but there, that will help. So the weatherman wasn't completely wrong. It was supposed to start last night, but as of 11 o'clock Sunday night, it hadn't started snowing yet, so I don't know what time. But here it is. I know a lot of you out there has gotten more snow than this. 6 inches, a foot, maybe more. And this is springtime. Later, guys.